Hey everybody, this is Paul with C# 101. My goal is to upload a video every day teaching the fundamentals of C#. So, in order to follow along, please download Visual Studio 2019. There's a free community edition online. A link is in the description below. I'm going to create a new project. This is going to be a console application, and I'm going to use .NET Core. If you're having trouble finding the console app .NET Core, you can filter by language, platform, which will be Windows, and project type, which will be console. Click Next, and give your project a name. Once your project loads, it already has a hello world created for you. Let's get rid of that and start from scratch. Let's also delete program.cs. We would right-click on the project, click on Add, click on Class. Label that class Program. Now you see that we have a class called Program within the namespace C# 101. If we try to play this, we get build errors. Program does not contain a static main method suitable for an entry point. By convention, console applications require a static main method in order to gain access to our program. So it's easy enough to create a static void main, and now our program class has a method called main. Void means there is nothing to return from the method, and static means that we can access this method without instantiating a new program object. Don't worry about that for now, just know that we need this to be static void main. Now when we compile and run, we see that a black console window comes up, but our program doesn't do anything. Similar to how the program was first created before we erased everything, we need a way to display a message to the user. To do that, we use what's called console, which lives in the system class, write line, and we type in our message in a string value. Note that the string is simply just text that we are passing in. This can be a string literal, or we can pass in a string variable. We can also even pass in a method that returns a string. For now, just pass in a string literal of hello world. Now when we run the application, we see hello world at the top. Fantastic. So that concludes the first video of C# 101. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe or make suggestions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.